Good morning. This is my favorite mug. I think my mom bought this for me. I need to get a lot of that assignment done before dinner, but we'll see. I burned myself. It's 1:30. I have a paper, okay? The goal is from 1:30, so from now until 4:30, I'm gonna finish this paper and I'm just gonna bust this shit out. That paper is done. I finished it. Full disclosure, I was on TikTok. It was late at night. I was starving. So it was like 3 a.m. and I was just ordering basically everything I need to make rice balls and sushi rolls. The video I watched, they were doing it by hand, but I know my skills and I know my limits, and I know I won't be able to do that. So I got these like little rice ball molds, which are so cute, and the pack came with like a large one and a small one, and then it also came with this one, this sushi making thing. I need a pair of scissors. I'm very easily influenced when it comes to like consumer products. If you post a video using the product and you say, I love this, that's literally all I need. That's all I need, and then I add it to my cart. Oh, this is cool. Look at how cute she is. She is so cute. And he's there. Oh my god, this is why I can't get anything done during the day. All I want to do is lay with you. Hello, it's the next morning. I just woke up. It's 9 a.m. I have a dentist appointment today. It's like a last minute emergency dentist appointment because I'm pretty sure I broke a filling. I just need to go, and they just need to look at it and basically tell me if I'm crazy, that I didn't break a filling and I'm fine, or I broke a filling and I have to schedule an appointment to fix it. I hate the dentist. I'm full of anxiety to the brim. Oh my god. Okay. Goal of this morning is to not freak myself out and ditch my dentist appointment, because I have to go. And if I make myself too anxious, I won't go. So we're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna make breakfast, and we're gonna have a little brekkie, okay?
Full-time position. If I'm working for you full-time, I shouldn't be able to
have fun, and we don't want to like have that like tension, that flirt.
Dogs, but oh my god, like if it was him, he'd probably say it.
Let's do a dentist fit check. There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just a little crazy, a little paranoid. But yeah, nothing wrong with me. So now I get to go home and I don't have to go to the dentist again until my cleaning in April. So I am actually learning how to knit recently. I know how to crochet, but I don't know how to knit, and I'm learning how to knit now. And I made this scarf, which I will show you right now, which I had to actually pin out like this to get it from like curling up. And then I left it in here I totally forgot it was in here, if I'm being completely honest, but I'm pulling the pins out now. It's called blocking, like when you put a knit piece like on something like this stretched out, it's called blocking. But I didn't find out until literally yesterday. I did this wrong. You're actually supposed to wet whatever it is you're blocking, like soak it wet and then pin it out on a foam board and let it dry, and like that's how it keeps from curling up. I just put it on. I did not wet it before. I didn't know you had to do that. So I might have to block it again, seeing as how it's still rolling up. Damn it, I put this thing 2 days ago, and as I'm pulling it off, like, it's literally, ow, I just stabbed myself. It's still blocking up. Oh, This is so sad. This is literally so sad. It's lit. Look at this. It's just rolling right back up. So when they said you have to wet it first, they weren't lying. It literally just rolled right back up. Which, I mean, I don't hate it. I'm working on some orders right now, and I just wanted to show you guys these frogs that I've been making. I just got, someone bought one on my Etsy, which they're available on my Etsy if you do want one. Look at these cute little frogs. Look at these cute little frogs. Aren't they adorable? And their little limbs, and their little hands. I have one with like a black frown, one with a red lipstick. I'm calling it a lipstick frown. And then I also have one with a cowboy hat. I'm gonna crochet while we talk. I actually had a certain video planned to go out next Saturday, which I don't know when this video is gonna go up, so that might not make any sense, but I did have a video planned, but the yarn that I needed for the video literally got delayed in shipment, and it isn't gonna be here to make that deadline, so that video is getting pushed, and I need a video to replace that video. So I think I'm gonna try my luck at commentary. I don't know how that's gonna go, but okay, so what I'm currently crocheting is actually in order. I'll show you what they look like. These hats right here, these Tomo hats, I have a couple of them that I need to get out. I need to get done, honestly, today, so I'm just working on them. As for schoolwork, I'm kind of caught up right now. I'm just waiting to hear back from someone about an interview that I have to do for an assignment. So I'm chilling until I get that email. So I'm just gonna work on my Etsy orders, and yeah. I didn't hit record. Anyways, I ordered Chipotle. I got a macro bowl. I have had Chipotle maybe twice in my entire life, and I don't know why. I remember liking it. Just for some reason, I just haven't had Chipotle. But anyways, I got the macro bowl and a tortilla, but look. This actually looks very appetizing. I was a little worried, but I'm trying to try new things this year, and I'm so lazy when it comes to cooking. This tastes so good. It is really good. He's a widowy hitting the gwitty. Widowy. Stop. I have to show you something.
Rick, it ain't like it was before. Now, if y'all want to live, if you want to survive, you gotta fight for it. I'm talking about fighting right here. Right now. Rick, it ain't like it was before.
If you're looking for a reason to live, there it is. Hello. I'm in my studio, a spare bedroom in the house where we put all of our craft supplies in a big pile and just come in here and pull things out of the pile and use them. So, dude, I woke up with a sore throat, which I don't even know why, because I talked a lot yesterday. I filmed a video yesterday. I don't even know if I'm gonna put it out, because it was one of those videos where you have an idea, you plan for it, and then you record it, and when you finish recording it, you're like, that's not what I wanted it to be. You know what I mean? Like, you finish it and you're like, I don't think that's a good video. Like, I don't think it turned out the way that I was hoping it would. So, someone ordered a red lipstick froggy. Someone ordered one of these. And then I'll show you the listings on my site, but someone ordered these hats right here, the dark Tomo hat and the light Tomo hat. I have a couple orders for those, so I will show you them actually. But I make the hat, okay, and then I stick a sticky note. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has their info on it, but I stick a sticky note of like what size hat and the person who ordered it. Let me show you the like shipping stuff that I designed. These order slips. See if it'll focus. These order slips, I designed these, so I basically just write their name, the date I fill the order out, everything they ordered, and then like their shipping, tax, total, and then this little spot just basically says like, thank you, if you have a moment, please leave a review on my shop. I love to see my products being used, blah, 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 blah. but this matches like my packaging. So I have these. Also, I ordered my business cards from Canva, not sponsored because they suck. The first order I ordered was perfect. The second order, stupid. I ordered glossy, they gave me that, and the background's supposed to be white, and it's like this dingy gray color, and I've contacted them to fix it, and they just sent me another box of the fucked up ones. So now I'm just using the messed up ones because I'm not gonna pay for a whole nother box just to get them effed up. So I've used this like little rounding edge because I don't like the like pokey parts. So I basically just punch out all the corners with this thing to make all the corners round because I like the look of a round corner, and the round corner matches the round order slips. I just found out that I've been using my shipping label maker wrong for the past year, okay? I saw this TikTok the other day. So when I usually print, this paper, like, it always shifts and I have to reprint stuff because it's not aligned and it like cuts off. I found this. These adjusters move. They move in so that your paper is like, it won't shift back and forth. And I saw it on the TikTok and I just adjusted the paper to try it out. And it literally worked perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So thanks for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you want to be a part of future videos that I have planned, go follow my Instagram. It's right here and I'll have it down below. Go follow my Instagram so that you can be a part of some of the polling and the questions and stuff. If you don't have Instagram, don't worry. I'm gonna post the same polls on the community board on my channel here, so you can still be a part of it, but you're more likely to see it if you're on my Instagram. So yeah, thanks for watching.